Hey YouTube, wanted to make you a video about what happens when we get lots and lots of rain. So today I'm feeding them in a very unusual way because the feeding area is literally a muddy mess. If I walk in there, my shoes get stuck and I just can't walk there anymore. I don't know if you can see how muddy it is. It's a mess. A big mess. So I'm feeding them very differently. Modified version. She's trying to steal horse's food. Bambi, you can't do that. Go fight with somebody your size. That's Bambi. This one. She is a very bold goat. And that's Shadow. She's thinking about stealing horse's food too. That's our new rooster. Hello, Mr. Rooster. You wanna sing? I am not very happy with my chickens. I lost so many chickens to a raccoon that I just can't catch. So I don't know, one of these days I will hopefully catch the raccoon and solve that problem, but right now I've lost just too many chickens. I originally had I think 16 chickens or 17 chickens, and I'm down to 4, so too many. But I got 10 more chickens to replace some of my loss, but they have not started laying yet. Yeah, so I have to actually buy eggs right now because I only get 1 or 2 eggs a day. I think it's because the chickens are kind of scared. Rooster coming every night and scaring them or something. I did find the loophole where the rooster was trying to get in and kill the chickens, but yeah, he's not able to get any chickens anymore, but he's still able to scare them. So that's my new doeling, and she is developing an udder, as you can see. Little udder forming. Same thing with her. A tiny little udder. So cool. They're due in about 6 weeks to have babies, so they're gonna start putting on a lot of weight. And she's mad because they're eating her food, but I don't really care because they will go and eat. She'll go and eat the goat food too. So it's all 16% food right now, and it's all good stuff. So if they eat a little bit of horse food, it's not gonna do much damage. Kayla, let her eat. You have plenty. Share. She's the herd queen. She's a scaredy cat. Hi, Mr. Rooster. And this one is an Easter egger. She lays blue eggs. This one right there. And she has decided that this coop that I have is too scary because of raccoons. And she goes and perches somewhere else in the night. I don't know. Every night she's gone. I can't find her. And in the morning she's here. So it's really funny. And this one is Leghorn, one of my new additions. As you can see, she has this nice beautiful red comb. So I'm hoping that she is going to lay eggs pretty soon. You can see her comb. Yeah, so I'm hoping a big white egg from her. And I got 2 barred rocks and 4 leghorns and then 4 of these sexlings. That's a barred rock. Those are very friendly chickens. And this rooster is an Easter egger. So all the eggs that he has fertiled are going to have a chance of, if it's a white egg, and so leghorn and this rooster, because it's a white egg across this rooster, it's going to possibly give me a blue egg or a white egg. And if it is a brown egg and a Easter egger, then it's possibly going to give me a brown egg or a green egg. So I can't wait to see the babies grow up and give me some eggs. But I have not so far invested in any chicken. There she is. She's gonna be like, move over, turn from me to steal your food. She's gonna eat up everything that's on the ground. Everybody's eating. So much fun.